Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Gold Mist Metallic 2017 Chevrolet Impala LT, stock number A7021. Starting right away up front, you can see this is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Kelly edge tire. Coming to the interior, there is a tan cloth upholstery that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Impala. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it is very clean inside. You do have a cargo net here, and the second row seating folds into a 60-40 split to give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. To the left of the steering wheel, you've got cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. This is equipped with OnStar. Coming down to the center, there is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You've also got your climate controls here. This is a 4-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 3.5-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 29 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Impala or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.